Number 25, Surah Al-Furqan, the discrimination. This is a Makki surah revealed around the middle Meccan period, about 6-7 years before the Hijrah. It has 77 verses in 6 sections. The surah answers some of the objections of the non-believers against the Quran and the teachings of Islam. It also presents the character of the believers as criteria to prove the truth of Islam. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Prophet Muhammad came as a warner for the whole world, the evil of the shirk, the objections of those who denied the Prophet and his message. Number 2. The punishment of those who deny Allah and his message. Number 3. Non-believers demand to see the angels or Allah. Non-believers say, why the whole Quran was not sent down at once? Number 4. Examples of people of prophets Moses, Aaron, Noah, and Ad, Tahmud, and the people of Al-Ras. Number 5. Examples from the natural world: shadows, night and day, winds of rain, oceans with 2 different types of water. Creation of human beings, creation of heaven and earth in 6 days. Number 6. The character and qualities of the most faithful servants of Allah.